good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to recognize and welcome every one of you to our celebration. We are inviting you once more to please be here inside the hall and kindly make comfortable in your seats as we're going to begin the program in just a have made significant impact not only in the field of education but also in the lives of the people who have worked with him. Nagaling pa po sa iba't ibang division. As promised engraved, he remained steadfast in providing superior quality service as well as the management expertise combined with innovative solutions that bring forth progress and development to the divisions he assigned in. Inspired by excellence and driven by purpose, ladies and gentlemen, guests, at lahat po na nagmamahal sa ating celebrator, we are glad that you could join us to celebrate with him as he marks 50 years of his existence in this world. This 50th birthday heralds the rebirth. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the one and only Dr. Erickson X. Sabakay.
Come to thy throne for adoration and thanksgiving. Thank you for this brand new day, giving us another life, renewed strength, and allow us to experience your blessings as we celebrate the 50th birthday of Sir Erickson Sablay Sabakan. And we are immensely grateful too for his parents, Nanay Catalina, Tatay Belchor, who prepared him for whoever he is and where he is now. You know, O Lord, today was coming. You planned it all. And you knew just how it would delight our hearts. Thank you for all you've done to make today worth celebrating. Today we feel such a satisfying sense of happiness that we know it can't come from anywhere but you.
So blessed. And of course, Mr. Paul G. Salcedo together with Ms. Lordy San Antonio. DJ, please bring up the beat. Let's give a hand, ladies and either printed or sa ating pong cellphone, selfie with Sir Eric. Sir, kayo po. Later ba lang, si Sir ay nasa yate. Wow.
Social.
Vacation mode, alright. Si Ma'am.
yan, wala. Hindi marunong mag-selfie yan.
And si Sir Juan, nakatabi ninyo, Sir Eric, ay naghahanap pa rin.
O si Miriam yan, dami niya.
Ay, oo, lagi na.
Lagi nakikita.
Alright, ngayon nakikita po natin ang selfie together with Sir Eric.
Kasi lagi sinasabi ni Ma'am
Medyo tayo doon sa picture na printed one dahil way back 1994. Yes. Hi, Ma'am!
Yan, o.
Eric Sol Taglay sa Tuesday sa President.
Matagal po ng board.
Ayun, si
Hindi lagi si Daddy sa work.
Yan yung
Sa sobrang hectic ng schedule niya. Sobrang seryoso, sobrang stricto.
This delegation is executive, duty, and defense.
Ipapiprint ko lang na.
In this special day, we have with us our guest performer.
Yan, o.
Eric Sol Taglay sa Tuesday sa President.
Matagal po ng board.
ayun, si
Hindi lagi si Daddy sa work.
Yan yung
Sa sobrang hectic ng schedule niya. Sobrang seryoso, sobrang stricto.
This delegation is executive, duty, and defense.
Ipapiprint ko lang na.
In this special day, we have with us our guest performer.
Kaya pala puro ako kaya pag nag-exam. Ay, pag nag-exam.
Pag nag-60.
Ay, magpapaano ako kayo sa... Chef, bigyan mo ako magandang concept sa birthday. Mamulat 60. May dahan-dahan.
May mga pa-movie ka pang ganyan.
May pag-movie pa.
Ah, may pa-movie pa siya, short clips.